Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Supra, a car that needs no introduction but continues to redefine what it means to be a sports car. Toyota has taken the iconic Supra to new heights, blending its rich heritage with modern engineering to create a machine that's as thrilling as it is refined. Let's start with its design. The 2025 Supra retains its bold and aggressive stance but with subtle refinements that make it stand out even more. The sculpted body, aerodynamic curves, and aggressive front fascia scream performance. The new LED headlamps and reworked grille add a futuristic touch, while the rear sports an updated diffuser and taillights that emphasize its sporty DNA. New color options, including a striking metallic blue and matte black, further elevate its street presence. Under the hood, the Supra is an absolute beast. It's powered by a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine that now delivers an even more impressive 395 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Supra rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. Toyota has also fine-tuned the suspension and steering, making this car not just fast in a straight line but a dream to handle on twisty roads. Whether you're hitting the track or enjoying a spirited drive on your favorite back road, the Supra delivers an experience that's pure adrenaline. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that perfectly balances luxury and performance. The 2025 model features an updated infotainment system with a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber trim add to the upscale feel, while the new sport seats provide excellent support for both daily drives and high-speed cornering. Safety is a priority too. The 2025 Supra comes equipped with Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. This means you can enjoy the Supra's thrilling performance with peace of mind. And now for the big question: pricing. The base model starts at around $45,000, while the fully loaded version can go up to $55,000. Considering the performance, design, and tech it offers, the Supra delivers exceptional value for a car in its class. The 2025 Toyota Supra is a testament to Toyota's commitment to pushing boundaries. It's a car that stays true to its roots while embracing the future of performance and technology. That wraps up today's video. If you loved this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Toyota Supra. Don't forget to subscribe to Branded Cars for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.